Let me ask you a simple question. Did you make any money the last time you listened to music? I know we all love music. We listen to it in our cars, when we're out with friends, and even when we're just relaxing. But what if I told you that by simply pressing a button on your computer or smartphone, you could be paid money every time you listen to any music track? Yes, you heard me correctly. Pay attention to this video because I'll tell you everything I know about it. If you watch every second of this video and learn how to make a passive income from home, you could make a lot of money online using this method, so make sure to watch it all the way to the end to learn everything there is to know about it. Now let's go back to the video. The website we will use is called RadioEarn.com. Choose the first search result here and proceed to their website now. RadioEarn.com is a website where you can earn money for doing nothing more than listening to the radio. The RadioEarn.com website is very popular and many people are already familiar with it. It is very simple and easy to use, and right here as you can see the only 4 simple steps. In less than 5 minutes, you can go from creating a new account on this website to earning money. Here are some of the great features that they have on this website that you will definitely enjoy. High compatibility, the ability to style your radio, detailed statistics, a simple system to exchange your points, and the ability to cash out at any time. The service is completely free, and you may use it from anywhere around the globe. You can also choose to get paid through bank transfer, Amazon gift cards, Bitcoin, or PayPal. Right here, you can check live statistics of all current listeners from across the world. To join up for a free account on this website, go to this button that says sign up. The website has hundreds of users from all around the world listening to music right now and making money. You can zoom in and out right here to view the number of individuals who are now earning money. Then on this page, provide them with your chosen username, first and last names, email address, and password, then finish this CAPTCHA and click register. You have now successfully registered your own account, log in, and access your very own dashboard. Once inside your dashboard, head to the Start Earning section and select Listen to the Radio. You'll get rewarded every couple of minutes of listening, and the points will be added to your account, which you can later convert into real money. However, before you can start making money with this method, go to Settings and make sure to input your payment information on this page. Simply enter the credentials of your PayPal account or any other payment method you like to use. Having a PayPal account makes it easier to get paid for many websites, so click the sign up button and make sure to create a personal account rather than a business account unless you have a business, in which case just go ahead and open a personal account to avoid future hassles. That's all there is to it, and your account will be up and running in no time. You can do this from anywhere on the globe and earn money from these websites. There is no need to pay for a premium membership to use PayPal. It is completely free, and you can even link it to your bank account for withdrawals. To begin listening and earning money, simply click on this button right here. A new tab will open, simply click on this play icon over here, and the music will begin playing instantly. The excellent thing about this method is that you can leave it running in the background and then switch to another station when the required number of minutes has passed. This platform is incredibly simple to use and simple, so try it right now and start making money. Before we go any deeper, I'll give you some time to subscribe to the channel and give it big thumbs up if you've loved the video thus far. And if you found this video interesting and informative, please leave a comment below. Let's get back to making money. The next website to check out is cash4minutes.com. Cash4minutes.com is a very unique service that allows you to earn money by simply making phone calls and listening to music on your phone. They have already paid out over $13 million since their launch, and they have over 1,400 users who use this website to earn money by listening to music. All you have to do is go to this website and sign up. Once you've signed up, they'll give you an email confirmation to validate your account. When you log in, they'll show you this page where you can learn how to make money on the website, so be sure to read it to become familiar with the platform's code of conduct. Remember to link your payment option to the site so that you can get paid once you've reached the payment threshold. Another website you should use is hitpredictor.com. Once you log in, you'll be paid to write new music before it's released to the public. Once you've finished listening, you'll be directed to a page where you can leave a comment and rate the artist's music. You can earn points that you can later convert to cash when you've finished listening to music on this website. Finally, go to MusicXray.com, where you may listen to music brands, review their songs, and earn money. MusicXray was created to promote artists who want their music to be recognized and to build a global fan base by submitting their songs to the portal and generating followers. You will register as a music lover so that you may listen to the music of your choosing. The website will pay you to listen to these new artists' songs. The recordings are usually about 30 seconds long, and even though the website only pays a few cents for each song, this is a great way to supplement your income. MusicXray is a simple website to use, but there are a few things to keep in mind before you begin. First, you cannot listen to a song for less than 30 seconds. If you do, you will not be paid. Second, after listening to the track, you can either become a fan or decline. Either way, you will be paid for the track you listen to. Also, changing your music choices on a weekly basis will ensure that you have more tracks to listen to and more suggested songs to like. MusicXray allows users to cash out their payments using PayPal. The minimum payout barrier is $20, and you may cash out numerous times. And that's it. If you love similar content like this, take a look at my other videos, and if you like it, please smash the like button and make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. If you have further questions, feel free to comment down below. See you in the next video.